Hi, my name is Marcus Young, and I'll be talking about HL7 Fhir. So, a little background about Fhir. Digital records are becoming more common in healthcare. Like other digital information in the web, healthcare records should be available and discoverable to other healthcare professionals that need access. For years, HL7, Health Level 7, has been producing healthcare information exchanging standards. Some examples of other programs are HL7 version 2, HL7 version 3, RIM, and CDA. Through the years of success and challenges with the programs such as HL7 version 2 and version 3, Fhir was created to fit the current healthcare industry. The goal of Fhir is to use existing algorithms and models to provide a consistent and safe way to exchange healthcare information between healthcare applications. As patients visit the hospital, pharmacy, imaging centers, or laboratories, data is collected regarding the patient. There has to be an easier way to exchange information between the different entities. That is where Fhir comes in. What is Fhir, anyways? Fhir stands for Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources. Fhir is built on modern web technologies such as the RESTful API architecture. Most of the successful web companies such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest are all based off of RESTful API. The basic building block in Fhir is called a resource. All data that can be exchanged is considered a resource. Here are some types of information that we can classify as a resource. Clinical data, which includes lab results, x-rays, medications. Identification data, which includes patient personal info or place of service. Lastly, financial data, which include billing or insurance information. All resources are alike because they have the following features: a URL that identifies a resource, common metadata, human-readable XHTML summary, a set of defined data elements, an extensibility framework to support variation in healthcare. These are some of the programs that Health Level 7 have developed: HL7 version 2, HL7 version 3, HL7 CDA, and HL7 Fhir. So how does it work? It is separated in three different paradigms: messaging, document, and resource. HL7 version 2 uses the messaging paradigm. An event occurred, therefore, here is the data collected about the event. An example would be a patient is discharged from the hospital, therefore a message is sent regarding about the discharge. CDA uses the document paradigm. An example would be a document is created, such as the doctor's progress note. Therefore, the document is automatically uploaded. Resource is a little different. Fhir uses the resource paradigm. However, it is capable of also using messaging and documenting. Fhir is capable of collecting resources such as clinical, identification, and financial data that are all linked together to form a higher level concept such as a pathology report, discharge report, or admission. Modules are capable of helping implementers navigate around the specification. Each module represents a functional area of specification. All modules are similar because they contain scope and index, a description of the content that is covered, use cases, guides implementers on the uses of modules, and allows implementers to get familiar with Fhir, security and privacy, which contain the information, and roadmap, the overall progression of the content for the related modules. Modules are separated into three different groups: infrastructure, which contain level 1 and level 2, content, which contain level 3 and level 4, and lastly, reasoning, which only contains level 5. Thank you.